Hey everybody, this is Wakefield again from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to you guys today about is the best place to go or service to subscribe to or join if you want to know how to build a sales funnel the right way so you can generate leads and sales. In the name of this place, these are the masters of making online high converting sales funnels. I mean, they have dissected from every little part that you need and make it real fast and simple with a drag and drop editor to build, the nicest online sales funnels there are. And so you can generate leads and send out emails to your prospects. And this is called Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels has been around for like 3 or 4 years now. I start to say a shorter time than that, but time going by so fast. I think it's been about 3 or 4 years now. And some people don't even know, especially newbies in the game, don't even really know about funnels. They just send you directly, to the long affiliate link and look for sales. But it's ways to do that. But for the most part, you really want to capture your leads and build a business the right way. I think you should get ClickFunnels. Also, with this, it's nothing to lose because they're going to give you a 14-day trial. So, yeah, they got all kind of webinars. They got all the tools. Like I say, they done dissected and made it super simple, super easy with a drag and drop editor on how to make a funnel the right way. They pretty much sum it up right here. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products and services online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. So you can try this out right here. You see, start your 14-day trial. Build your first funnel for free right now. No obligations, no contracts, cancel at any time, 100% free. Like I said, I read this before. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. Like I said, a simple drag and drop web page editor, quickly build sales funnels that converts. Smart shopping cart with one-click upsells. Email and Facebook marketing automation, everything organized in one simple dashboard. So, me as an internet or affiliate marketer, I would highly recommend you try this for free. Take the 14-day trial. And for some reason you think it's not for you, you can just cancel or whatnot. But it's so many internet marketers that I know, and some of them, I just heard by name that don't really know that good. Highly recommends ClickFunnels. So, if your business is struggling, and you have yet to make sales, I would highly take a look at what you're doing and get your first funnel built and take this 14-day trial. I think you'll love it. Subscribe to all the webinars and everything. Look at all the tools, tutorials, and if your business not doing good, just turn it around. Like I say, take the 14-day trial. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you most definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button and click that notification button. And y'all have a good day. I'm also going to put a link to my blog, to some incredible opportunities I got. And I'm going to put a link to ClickFunnels. So that being said, y'all have a good day. Peace.